1, 2,
3, 4, 5,
7,
7,
8, half kenan, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3,
haka nuna geji.
4, 5, 6, 1 cup, 16 tablespoons, 1 cup.
Sugar.
What did I keep posting?
It's a hot cup. How many spoons?
These are my 8 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After 1,
2.
2.
Shida madara.
8 spoon ɗin ba ko kuma 1 cup. 1 cup of milk, half cup of sugar.
Then kuma 2 tablespoons
of oil ba.
1,
2, 3. Zan fara kwaɓa hannu kanansa. Ban taɓa kwaɓa shi da spoon. To, hannu dai zan dawo in sa. Ba zai kwaɓa.
kamar yayi ruwa ko?
Yayi ruwa sai na ɗan barbaɗa madara.
This one is it? No. No, I say.
50 naira.
Ɗankwali na damunta, ɗankwali da damunta.
My own ɗankwali?
No,
Oh.
and Trauma's ɗankwali.
Oh.
That's the song they do for me in Cairo when I was a baby. Me, I'm going to Cairo and I buy my shirt. She's other one. Oh, so you just touch it with your fingers then spread it?
Yes.
Oh, so that means we can video.
Mm.
So so Ada can make it.
Yes.
That means children cannot actually do everything by themselves because of the frying.
Yes, because of the frying.
We have to ask for a dog for the frying.
Hafsatu ba Saudatu ba.
No, don't you have Hafsatu?
Hafsatu faɗa
Sannu Hafsatu.
Yawwa.
Sannu Hafsatu.
Yawwa to.
Innan fa.
Ai dama ba zama dole ba.
Sannu Inna Hafsatu.
Yes.
Yawwa to.
Sannu Inna Hafsatu. Sannu Inna Hafsatu.
Na gode sannan ku baiwar Allah ashe an mutuwa ne.
You're going to dawn.
Yes.
You're going to dawn. You're almost done. That doesn't make any sense. You're
That's
almost
correct.
done. You have to say you're going to be done.
Yes.
Or you're almost done. Or soon you will be done. Yes, there's almost like different sentences you can use for done. You done. That's what she said. You done. That's actually a sentence.
We're
You're
twinning.
done, but she didn't ask. Did she add the No, she said you done.
did
No,
right
no,
there.
she said you're done. You're done. She didn't say that. She didn't. You're done. But how can you add the video with the other video, right?
I don't know how to do that.
And then how do you do that?
Let me teach you.
Because the answer is let me teach you. That means I have to bring my tablet.
Yayi zafi fa mama.
A da, in ya zafi ƙonewa zai.
To
Bari
rage
ya
wuta.
zafi da mu.
I shall reduce the distance. Kamar yar gullisuwa ko?
Shi.
Kuma ba wuya da